Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
CSS provides a few shorthand properties that allow you to group selectors within a single declaration instead of a separate one for each property, thus reducing the time and effort in coding as well as reducing the size of your CSS file itself. To create the shorthand code, you separate the selectors with a space within the declaration. It's important to note that you should always declare a value for each of the selectors in shorthand code. If you do not define each selector in the correct order, web browsers will either ignore the declaration altogether or use the default setting. So, be cautious when using shorthand properties, otherwise you may not achieve your desired outcome. The syntax for shorthand properties is curly brackets, shorthand property name, colon, and then any selector you choose separated by a space, required end semicolon, and the end curly brackets. The shorthand properties available are font, background, list style, border, margin, and padding. The margin and padding shorthand properties work a little differently due to the nature of the properties, which have 4 sides that can result in different combination of values. For example, you can have a different value for each of the 4 margins, top, right, bottom, and left, or you might have just 2 different values for the 4 total sides. This type of shorthand notation can take 1, 2, 3, or 4 values. If you specify 4 values, they are assigned to the appropriate sides in order, clockwise, from the top, right, bottom, and left. If you only specify 2 or 3 values, the missing side is assigned the same value as the one opposite. If you only specify a single value, it will be applied to all 4 sides. For example, the declaration margin : 3 pixels space 1 pixel would assign a value of 3 pixels to the top and bottom margins and 1 pixel to the left and right margins.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.